Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the Pinterest app for Android. We're looking at Pinterest on the Google Nexus 10, which has the beautiful 2560 by 1600 LCD. It's fabulous for viewing photos and media of all sorts. And so we're going to take a look really quick at this app and kind of see how well it works on a tablet. So some of you might or might not be familiar with Pinterest. Personally, I'm pretty new to it, but I'm still trying to figure it out here and there. Basically, some of the basic features we can do are we can search for different media, such as, let's say, mountains. And then you can do three different types of searches. There's pins, boards, and people. Now you can think of pins kind of like Facebook posts, like status updates, where somebody just pins a photo to a board. Boards are kind of categories where somebody can post pictures to it. So as you can see, we've searched for a bunch of boards called mountains, and lots of different people have kind of posted these boards with these particular topics. Now there's not really anything forcing people to adhere to these categories, but they are there. So you can simply click a follow link or an unfollow link if you want to follow that particular board. One thing I will point out is that when you're searching for boards, it doesn't tell you who the author of the board is, so you don't really know who's actually posting to that board. And sometimes knowing that will kind of help guide you as far as whether you want to follow that board or not. The final search category here is people. So you can search for people, users. As you can see, we have different usernames here that we can follow. Now, one thing I will mention is that when you click the follow link over here on one of the people or accounts, you are following, I believe, all of their boards. So you can actually click on a specific user and see a list of all the boards that they actually have created and that they're pinning photos to. You can also browse that particular user's pins across all boards. You can see photos that they've liked, and you can see a little bit of basic information about that particular user, who they're following, who's following them, who their Twitter account is, what their website is, and a brief description of them and their location right there. So let's go back to the search here. So we can click follow on any of these boards if we want to. You can also browse pins, boards, and interests and people by categories here or interests. So here's an animal, for example, or we can just kind of click on one of these photos and bring up some more information about it. One of the things that I would like to see improved on this app in the future is for a little bit better use of tablet screen real estate. As you can see, we kind of have to scroll down here, and it's not really obvious that you can even scroll. So it'd be nice if they kind of made the photo a little bit smaller so that you could actually see the whole photo, first of all, and then also kind of display some of this metadata that they've got down here, such as these boards that have been repinned to, who likes the photo, and who else has kind of repinned that photo. If all that metadata was kind of maybe off to one side and the photo was kind of crunched down a little bit, that would just make it a lot easier to understand and work with rather than having to scroll so much. But yeah, we can go by category here. And then if you want to get to your account, so this main page is just kind of a conglomeration of all the accounts you're following. I would kind of analyze, I would say it's analogous to the Facebook timeline page, your main page, where everybody's statuses are kind of posted in one place. So that's what this is. Everybody who you're following is kind of consolidated onto this page here. And then if we go up here in the top right corner, this is your account here. And then you can see yourself, your boards, your pins, your likes, and about. You can also go to some settings here, account settings. You can see who you're following and who your followers are. I don't think I have any followers right now, but you can also see who I'm following right here. I've just followed some accounts right now, so there's a few people in that list. But yeah, I mean, overall, it's a great app. The basic functions are you pull up a photo that somebody else has posted. At that point, you're able to repin the photo. You can choose what board you want to pin it to. So for example, I created like guns, Ireland, mountains, Ron Paul, just a few different boards, and then you can choose which one you want to post it to. You can change the caption if you want, and then you can check a box if you want to post it to Facebook or Twitter. I don't currently have that set up right now, but you're more than welcome to do that if you want. So that's just bringing up the authentication page to link it to Facebook. So yeah, pretty cool app, kind of fun to come across photos. Great way to kind of, maybe discover places you want to visit, like Ireland, or just, find some really cool photos that inspire you. So overall, pretty good. I think they could make some improvements on the tablet side of things. But, a lot of great content on here, a lot of great people sharing information, and I think you guys will get a kick out of it on the Nexus 10. Thanks for watching.